If you're looking for a simple pocket option beginner strategy, this video is for you. Today, I'll show you a straightforward trading setup that is easy to understand and easy to apply, that focuses on price action and market structure. I'll also give you live examples and explain each and every single setup, so make sure to watch till the end. This is not financial advice and the video is for educational purpose only. Make sure to like, comment and subscribe to the channel if you gained any value. We have a Telegram channel which I'll leave the link in the description. Let's go. Okay, we have an opportunity right here. And so I'll take a trade. Okay, I just took my first trade with the buyers. Okay, although the sellers are quite strong, but I think these are good support area that turned to resistance. So as you can see, we're moving in a very strong uptrend, and around this area we had a consolidation, and before breaking that consolidation we created this demand area. So this is the demand area right here. So we created the demand area, and after creating our demand area we waited for the market to get to our demand. So okay, the sellers are pushing down quite strongly because these candles, especially this candle right here, the previous bearish candle was quite strong. So I think our first trade will be a losing trade. It's fine. So okay, I knew this was not a very good trade because of this candle right here, but it's fine. We'll still get another opportunity and make up for that loss. So let's look for another opportunity. Our first trade was a losing trade. So I want to go with the sellers right here. I think we found out an opportunity. So I'll take a trade. I'll go with the sellers. That's a bad entry. So I just took a sell trade right here. So my entry was a little bad. I should have waited for the market to get to my horizontal line, but it seems like it's going to be a winning trade. So yeah, so that was a winning trade, and let me show you why I took that trade. So if we look at the past of the market, we can see that previously we had a very strong support area. As you can see, it got to this point, rejected, got here, got rejected, got rejected again, but right here it broke to the downside, and that means that our horizontal line right here, this horizontal line, the one we've drawn right here, so this just turned, so these are support that turned to resistance. So we had a, okay, let me show you. So we had a demand area right here, okay, a supply area right here, exactly on the resistance, the support that stands to resistance. And once we got to that point, I knew that the sellers, this was a seller's entry, and I knew that the sellers wanted to get into the market, and we took a trade, and that was a win. So let's look for another opportunity. So our first trade was a losing trade, and we won our second trade. So let's take a few more trades, and you can also check out my Telegram. And if you want to join our mentorship, I'm offering a mentorship, so you can also check that out. Everything will be communicated in the Telegram community. So let's continue. Okay, I want to take a trade right here. So I just took a trade. Okay, took a trade with the buyers. I wanted to take a trade with the buyers, so I believe that the buyers will get in. We'll have a very huge rejection, and let me show you why. So as you can see right here, you have this demand area. We have a demand area right here. Okay, my entry is very good actually. So you have that demand area, so it's very good because it's below the demand area. And you also have this, you have this trend line. So the trend line has not yet been broken, so I believe that we're still moving inside this trend. And if it does break, okay, we can include the wicks. So as you can see, the trend line has not yet been broken, and the buyers are still strong. So I believe that the buyers will still get into the market and keep pushing the market up. So that is why I took this trade. Okay, so let's look for another opportunity. Okay, today the market has not been very good. I've been struggling to find opportunities. Like, the session has been very long, and I won't take very many trades because of that. Because at times I might start taking bad trades because of frustration. Okay, just took a trade right here. So I took a trade because we just got to our demand area right here, and I took the trade exactly on the demand area, and that was a winning trade. So as you can see, we are in a very strong uptrend. As you can see, it's a very sharp uptrend, and so we had a retracement right here, and once we got to this demand area, the buyers are expected to keep on pushing the market up, because we don't have a buyers area even in the past of the market. So we expect the buyers to keep on pushing the market up. So I took advantage of that, and immediately the market got to my demand area. I took a trade. I honestly expected it in the previous candle. So this one right here, the green candle right here. So that will have been even better, because looking at the past, we don't have more than 2 red candles. So after these 2 red candles, it was almost guaranteed that this candle will have been a green candle. So if this was the one coming down, it will have been even better, but we still won the trade. So let's look for another opportunity. Okay, this one is a good one, but the percentage, the payout is very low. Okay, I'll take it either way. So it's a very good one, but I don't like taking trades with very low percentage, because if we lose that, it's a very big disadvantage, because the payout is low. So like for this case, we made very little profit, but so I wanted to take this because I haven't taken this one for a while. This pattern. So this is the head and shoulder. So if you don't know about that pattern, I'll leave the video link on the right top corner. So this, so like I've talked in details about that pattern, so you can check that video out. And yeah, that is why I took this trade. So we had the head and shoulder, and we also had this demand area. So this was our shoulder, head, and this was our second shoulder. So I expect the sellers to push the market down after creating the second shoulder. So okay, let me look for another opportunity before I call it a day. So the market was not that good, but I think I've warmed up, and yeah, I'm finding some good opportunities right here. Okay, even if it comes to this point right here, I won't take a trade right here. So I'm talking about this demand area. So I wouldn't take a trade on that one, because we are still moving inside this price channel, and unless it hits this trend line right here. So this, I believe I took a trade, my first trade. I took my first trade. I believe I took my first trade on, I think, somewhere right here. Yeah, somewhere right here. So we are still moving inside that channel, and until it hits this point right here, I can't take a trade with the buyer. So I believe that the sellers want to get in up to this point. Then yeah, so let's look for another opportunity. Okay, if it comes down, I'll take a trade right here with the buyers. Okay, I was a bit late, but I took a trade with the buyers, and I'll tell you why. So as you can see, we had this Maraboozle. So this is a sign of exhaustion, and as you can see, previously the candles, the sellers' candles were very weak, so they pushed down aggressively, creating this Maraboozle candle, which closed inside this. Okay, the payout again is not very good. Okay, let's see if it closes as a win. Okay, that was a win. So the payout again was not that good. So this whole area is a buyer's area, because it's a demand area, and once these sellers were very weak, so they created this Maraboozle candle. So this is a sign of exhaustion, which closed exactly inside our demand area, and that way it was almost guaranteed that the buyers were going to enter, and we took advantage of that, and that was a winning trade. So I'll stop right here, and I hope you enjoyed, guys. So make sure to like and subscribe. Bye.